Hey guys, you know my name is Allison, but
And I'm Madison.
But
our names rhyme.
But you haven't seen her on my channel yet. We just made this slime together. Has a very good poke test. You don't gotta show them the glitters on your hands.
Wow, it's super glittery. See?
Stop. Let me show 'em. Let me show 'em. Super glitters.
I think I just got in my hair.
Guys, it's super glittery. I mean, super pokey. Madison, stop.
No,
I'm trying to do the poke test. It's super pokey.
Oh, and so comment down below that we're twins. We're not.
We do not look nothing like twins.
I don't think we're even sisters.
We are sisters.
Yeah, but we don't look nothing alike.
Yes, we do.
Comment down below if we look alike.
I don't have that many viewers, Madison.
Right. So nobody watches your channel?
People watch my channel.
Probably dumb people.
Madison, you know we're still recording.
Okay,
Okay, let's put this down, and I'm going to do it so that I can make this my cover with the slime on it.
Yeah.
Stop!
Madison, I can't help it.
Okay, get your hands out of it. Stop. Gotta make it a cover, Madison. Okay.
Allie!
Oh, yeah. Sorry. They like me better than they like you. Madison, now they can't see me.
Now they can't see me.
Well, now they can see both of us.
Oh my god.
Ooh, I made a little air bubbles. Madison! I was gonna show the camera. Madison, put that down.
This is my bedroom. Not yours.
Mine's purple.
Mine's pink. Comment down below if you don't like pink. Because you are losers.
Madison,
What?
I don't like pink, and I'm not a loser.
Yes, you are. Sorry I had to do this on camera. That's my closet right there. Probably you guys could see it.
Yeah, they probably can. Because I can see what they'll see.
Oh my god, you see that little air bubble?
Oh my god, it made a little fart noise. And guys, this slime is super stretchy. We put lotion in it.
There's glitter all over.
We're using a mirror to do it on because it looks cool.
I can see myself.
I can't see myself.
It
It can see you. It can't see me. It's my channel, you know. Stop. Move your hand. Move it.
Make a bubble inside my hand.
I'm trying to move.
Inside my hand?
It's not gonna work on top of your hand.
I'm gonna try.
Okay.
Look at all this glitter on my hand. What'd you just say?
Look at all this glitter on my hand.
Why'd you whisper it?
I don't know. Okay, you're getting it on the carpet.
My carpet.
Your keys.
Be right back, guys.
Madison, where's my key?
Are we leaving?
I need my key.
I don't know.
You open my box and get my bag in.
Oh.
Now can you guys see my feet? Shut the door. I'm a super genius.
Not wash my hands because who does?
Especially when they get good on it, I always wash my hands. There's those stars in there poked the crap out of me. I added a bunch of them to it at first, and I stuck my hand down in the container. I was like, "Oh my god, it poked the crap out of me! It can still see more." Dang it! Stop, Madison.
Well, you're gonna make it where you can't see me. I'm just gonna sit on the mirror.
Don't break it.
Well, this slime's so heavy.
The slime's not heavy.
We should try and do that big bubble like most of the.
I'm about to say
Other
like
YouTubers.
Karina does,
Yeah.
but okay, whatever.
Alright, so we need to pat it.
No, we gotta let it get straight.
Alright, let's go do it in the kitchen.
This slime is like rough. Let's do it on top of this mirror.
Okay. You're gonna have to grab that. Yeah.
I know. You're gonna have to get on this side. We're gonna have to do. You're gonna have to get on this side. Except I don't want them to see my butt. Move. Okay. This isn't gonna work.
I'm gonna make it more straight. More straight, you guys. More
Madison,
straight.
come and sit over here.
Oh. Ow! What now?
Have this on.
Wait. I'm gonna scrap off glitters.
Okay, I love glitters. Let me split this thing in half. It's literally impossible to break.
Hey, you're gonna have more than I do. Give me
Wait.
more.
Wait. There. What? They look even.
They do.
Except you have a hair in yours.
I wish your eyeball was in yours.
God, we've been